Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, a man from the Aslam tribe visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While he was sitting in the mosque, he called upon him sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this unfortunate has committed adultery, he himself. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face away. So he turned round to the side to which he turned his face and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this unfortunate has committed adultery. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face away from him. But the man turned round to the side to which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face and repeated his statement. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face away from him, and he 4 times turned round to the side, and when he testified 4 times against himself, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam calling him said, Are you a mad? He submitted, No. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Take him away and stone him to death as he was married. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5271.